In front of me is OPPO F15 and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to find and open Theme Store app. Then select any theme you want to by tapping on one of those options at the bottom, selecting themes at the top of each one, or clicking on the search bar to type in whatever you want to. Either way, after finding the best theme, just tap on it, hit download, and select apply. If you want to, you can tap on Customize first to exclude any of those options and then tap on Apply here. I will go with all of them though, so when I tap on Apply and wait again, theme of my OPPO has changed. Now, if you want to go back to your default one, enter the same app, hit Me at the bottom right corner, and choose Themes under My Resources. Then tap on Apply on your default one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!